Congratulations, sir. It's 8 puppies, 4 boys, 3 girls.
Excellent. 8 purebred puppies descended from the first litter of Carl Friedrich Doberman himself. Teach them all the classic commands. Sit, stay, bite striking workers with your widow teethers. And you've allowed the training dummies to fall into terrible disrepair. So I've ordered a new one. Here he is now.
I was told there'd be a taco truck.